Bitcoin just keeps on pumping more and more towards the upside. But the question really is going to be, where is this Bitcoin pump going to stop? Well, for the Bitcoin holders, I'm going to be taking urgent action. So in this video, I will be explaining exactly what I'm going to be doing, because yes, the short term is actually still looking quite bullish for Bitcoin. But nonetheless, I'm still going to be taking action, and in this video, I will be explaining exactly why. So can we once again push up the likes, back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's first of all have a look into what's that imminent short term. And what we can be seeing over here is just perfect Bitcoin price action. Literally, we retested our previous high over here. We bounced from the previous resistance, turning into a support, and right now we are continuing our pump. Now, what we are also seeing is that the Bitcoin funding rates are still actually trading very, very low. Just like we have been talking about for the last couple of days, this is still going to be a very bullish indication that the market actually just wants to pump even higher. Some people are saying that we are seeing euphoria in the market right now, but having a look into what's Bitcoin funding rates, well, they are still very low, and in my opinion, this is not at all indicating that there is euphoria in the market. Actually, it means quite the opposite, because majority of the Bitcoin traders are actually trying to short the Bitcoin price, and well, we do know that often the majority of the market is wrong. So yeah, that is why the Bitcoin funding rates are actually still looking very bullish. Now, on top of that, we can be seeing that institutions are right now buying up Bitcoin, and this is causing this huge pump. Now, it is not looking like it is slowing down anytime soon. Yesterday, once again, we got a huge inflow of our spot Bitcoin ETFs. So yeah, institutions keep on buying more Bitcoin. This is definitely still looking very bullish, because we can be having a look into all of these indications, all of these levels of resistance. But ultimately, what is just going to be important to know is that whenever people are going to be buying up more Bitcoin, that is just going to be pushing up the Bitcoin price even higher. So whenever these institutions are just going to be buying up more Bitcoin because they are preparing themselves for the Bitcoin halving, well, they are not going to be having a look into these resistance levels, and that is just going to be pushing up the Bitcoin price even higher. That is what you need to understand. So yeah, to quickly sum it up, well, in my opinion, still the short term is still looking quite bullish. We are not really having any kind of an important resistance level to watch right now. Only on that weekly time frame, we do want to be closing that weekly candle above the golden pocket Fibonacci level of resistance. But in a minute, I will be talking exactly about this. First of all, talking about the Bitcoin CME gap, because yes, we do know that right over here, we created a very similar CME gap down below right here. We created this double top with a Bitcoin bearish divergence, created this correction, and after filling our Bitcoin CME gap exactly, well, we got a huge pump back towards the upside. And right now, actually, we are doing the same exact thing. We created this Bitcoin CME gap, we created this double top with a bearish divergence, filled up our Bitcoin CME gap, and right now we are once again creating this huge pump towards the upside. Now, this time around right here, we got a 60% pump towards the upside. Now, right now, I do not expect we are really going to be seeing a 60% pump, because that would put us literally at the 62k level. Now, it is technically going to be possible, but we do know that history doesn't tend to repeat, but it certainly rhymes. So yeah, that is just something to keep in mind. It is actually quite funny how this is exactly playing out. But before talking about the longer term Bitcoin price action, why I am going to be taking urgent action, well, first of all, if you are going to be interested in trading, you can right now claim $220 by only depositing $100. You can be trading on DEEPCOIN with no KYC and no restrictions over here. All you need to do is sign up using this link right here and deposit $100. Now, you can be finding this link down below in the description of this video. So well, make sure to check it out if you are going to be interested in trading. And with that being said, let's have a look into what's a Bitcoin longer term, because yes, I briefly already explained it in this video. Well guys, this Fibonacci golden pocket level is going to be a very important level to be breaking above. Now, this Bitcoin weekly candle close is going to be very important because that one is going to be deciding if we are truly going to be seeing this confirmed breakout above this resistance level or if this is just going to be a fake out. It could still be a fake out at this moment. Now, I do not think it is going to be very likely, but definitely we do want to be seeing that weekly candle confirmation. Now, what is quite interesting in my opinion is that at every single Bitcoin halving, we saw a pre-halving pump towards the upside, and during the halving, we actually saw some consolidation, and only after the Bitcoin halving, we saw a huge push towards the upside. Literally every single halving, we saw the exact same thing playing out. So yes, right now we are pumping into our Bitcoin halving, but anytime soon, do expect some consolidation and maybe even a little bit of a slight correction. Okay, do be aware that this Bitcoin pump is not going to be lasting forever. Yes, we are seeing huge bullish indications right now in the short term, but I am going to be starting to take some minor amounts of profits. Now, I am personally taking profits and reallocating them into projects that have not really pumped a lot yet, or projects that have been consolidating for a while after a huge pump. So this is currently my strategy right now for Bitcoin and for all of these altcoins. I am not taking any profits in USDT. I'm just reallocating my portfolio to make an even greater profit in the longer term. But well, in the end of the day, what is just going to be the best strategy is going to be to dollar cost average in towards Bitcoin, because you can be seeing this in Michael Saylor's portfolio. He literally started dollar cost averaging in 2020, and right now his portfolio is worth almost 10 billion US dollars. So yeah, he is also having almost a 4 billion US dollar profit, and you can be seeing at all of these green dots that Michael Saylor has continuously been buying, and well, this once again goes to show that this is the best strategy. Now guys, today was a little bit of a rushed video because I am very late with recording this video today because I just had a flight and I just came back home. But tomorrow I'm going to be making a way better update video exactly about the Bitcoin market. So yeah, if you want to be watching my exact Bitcoin game plan right now, you need to be watching the video that I will be uploading tomorrow. So with that being said, make sure to stay up to date about every single market development by following me over on Twitter. And with that being said, guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.